Today I did a no makeup look, but I like makeup, so I made sure it's a glamorous no makeup look. Give it a try. My skin routine is done, which is available in all my video sections on YouTube as well as on Makeover Madness on FB, but I'm gonna still moisturize my face. I'm using a dewy foundation by MAC. Use a little at a time. If you need more, then apply more. I'm using my concealer and I'm also going to use them on my sun-kissed parts, on the sun-kissed parts of my face. So it's going to also work like a highlighter. I'm going to use a powder-based contour and mildly contour my face, keeping the look soft. I don't want harsh lines. Use any fluffy brush. I don't even remember what this is because the number has come off. Use a soft brush. This is the pack 204 and any light, very light neutral shade and apply it on your upper eyelid. Take it up to your crease line, and if you have hooded eyes, take it up further and bring it down on your lash line a little bit. This is just to contour your eyes. Take a dark brown eyeshadow and a brush that I mean, if you can find this, fine. Otherwise, something similar, which is sharp and not too soft, and just line your eyes in a very, with a very soft touch, and just build on it. It's like shading because you want a no makeup look, yet you want your eyes defined and looking glamorous. Set your eyebrows with a gel so that they stay in place. I'm using a mild mascara compared to the Huda that I use all the time. Mascara applied neatly is very important for such a natural makeup look. Just make sure you put more on the tips. Line and fill out your lips with a nude lip liner. This will make sure that your lipstick stays all day. Then take a darker lip liner to define your lips and then dab it and blend it out for sure. I just capture my videos of doing makeup every day, so I use my personal products. Follow the technique and please buy products of your choice. But the ones I'm using, in case you need to buy those, just see it's captioned. You'll get them in Nykaa, Tira, or Sephora. The reason I don't share links is because those links expire in a month. Use a blush of your choice. I stick to cream blushes also because it's winter and I have dry skin. If you have oily skin, go for a powder based blush. No matter how much I use a brush, when it comes to cream blushes, I love blending it out with my hands. I don't really bake my face because it doesn't look so natural, so I just touch it up with my Studio Fix Compact Powder, which is also a powder based foundation. To add some dimension and glam, end your makeup with a good highlighter. I really hope my makeup videos are helping you and making your makeup life easy. For rest of the looks, check out the video section in Makeover Madness. It's about what suits you on Facebook, and on YouTube just type Sreenanda Shankar and check out the playlist called My Daily Makeup. I'll see you soon with another easy look. Take care.